Assalamualaikum grade 6. I hope all of you will be fine. Student, after watching this video, you will able to solve this assessment sheet which is provided by the school. So watch this video carefully. Okay student. Today we are going to start poem Mother to Son. First of all, I would like to explain words to know. These are words to know. Your first word is a climbing. Climbing means climbing. Next word is and. Informal, has not, am not. And mean informal, has not, am not. Next word is crystal. Crystal means clear, colorless glass. Next word is honey. Honey means dear, sweetie, darling. Your next word is I. I means I have. Next word is kinder. Kinder means kind of. Kinder means kind of. Next word is landings. Landing means landing the flat area. Set down. Set down means sit down. Set down means sit down. Splinters, sharp. Splinter means sharp. Next word is tax. Tax means short nails with a flat head. Tax means short nail with a flat head. Okay student, let's start the reading of poem. Well son, I will tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Well son, I will tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Student, crystal stair means clear, colorless glass. Its had task in it. Task means short nail with a flat head. And splinters and boards torn up and places with no carpet on the floor. Where, student, this is a very short line in the poem. But all the time I's been a climbing on and reaching landings and turning corners and sometimes going in the dark where there ain't been on light. So why don't you turn back? Don't you sit down and on the steps? Cause you find it's kinda hard. Don't you fall now, for I still going honey. I still climbing, and life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Student, this poem Mother to Son has been written by Langston Hughes. In this poem, a mother is advising her son by telling her own life experiences. She compares the life with crystal stair and tells her son that life is not like climbing on the crystal stairs. She says in her real life, one has to face many hurdles and difficulties. She encouraged her son by saying that she was faced a lot of hurdles and never lose heart in life. After telling her own experiences of life, she advised her son that don't turn back, don't look down. Although it is very difficult, but you don't fall now. She says, in spite of all hurdles, I am still climbing. So you have to carry on. Who is speaking in the poem and to whom are the words addressed? Student, mother is speaking in the poem and the words are addressed to son. What does the speaker compares her life with? The speaker compares her life with no crystal stair. Student, which sentence are repeated in the poem? Which sentence are repeated? Life for me and no crystal stair are repeated in the poem. This sentence is repeated in the poem. Student, which line is shortest? Which line is shortest? Where? Where is the shortest line in this poem? Here we can say where. Where is the shortest line in this poem? Student, what is the mother experiences of life? What is the mother experiences? Mother has experienced many tests and difficulties in life, but she never loses hope. This is the difficulties of experiences of mother's life. Why do you think she is telling her son about her life in this way? She is telling her son about life's hardship by comparing it with crystal stair because she wants to encourage her son. Because she wants to encourage her son. Which three pieces of advice does the speaker give the why? Student, which three pieces of advice does the speaker give the why? She says to her son that don't sit down on the steps, don't you turn back, it is hard but don't you fall now. Student, which sentence are repeated in the poem? Life for me and being no crystal stair. This sentence is repeated in the poem. Life for me and being no crystal stair. This sentence is repeated in the poem. Which line is the shortest? This. Where? This line is shortest in the poem.